In this episode, we have 1. A Louis Oversized Drip, 2. A reflective design, and 3. A fun Rugrats Custom. Also, for you customizers, stick around to the end for a bonus tip where we touch on how to create a custom flame. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Orlando. Welcome to Wall of Hype, where we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. We have links to all featured artists and their work in the description below. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Okay, here's something a little different from your normal custom sneaks. We got a Louis Vuitton Neverfull from the designer Tyler Wallach studio. The design, an oversized drip. At first, I didn't know what to think. But as I continued to look at this design, this is a beautiful piece of artwork. You got the pink, the blue, beautiful contrast off of the brown, and then you have the highlights of those whites that just gives you a little bit more depth and dimension to this drip. Now you can see it's flat, it's basic color blocking, but when you look at it, it just feels like an oversized drip. It's as simple as it gets, but it's beautiful and it's not too much or too little. A lot of Louis Vuittons are getting customized just like sneakers, and I know my wife would love to walk around with one of these. Tyler Wallach, great job. I know all the ladies love it. I can see one already saying stunning. Can't wait to check out all your other work. All right, so in this project, we have a design by Drip Customz, the shoe, and Air Force One. Let's take a look at the video. Now, what's cool about this is you got the basic Louis Vuitton Nike Swoosh, painted, stenciled, easy peasy. But what's cool about this is the reflective flames that's added onto the shoe. Now, this is the first time I've seen a reflective paint on a custom. So you guys tell me if there was someone else who started this, but Drip Customz, first time seeing this, I thought it was amazing. He showcases 2 different types of design, same stencil work, different color swoosh, but just take a look at the reflective glow. I thought this was a cool custom to share, just so you guys can see something a little bit different. The reflective color, the brightness on the shoe, just looked fun, looked cool, just really wanted to share. Here we have a Rugrats Custom. The designer, Color Me Fresh. The shoe, an Air Jordan 1 Mid. We have Susie and Angelica. This is a clean design. And also what I love is the use of the face on the Nike Swoosh, the upper and the side panels, and it's just over the swoosh, right? So I thought that was just cool. You know, a lot of people are doing that. They're using that entire side as the canvas. The colors, the outline, the shading, clean color blocking, clean everything. You can see that this was probably a quick and easy draw, paint, design using the Nike Swoosh as the face. What's cool about this is the different colors that are used to create this. You know, obviously the orange and blue, and then you have yellow and purple. But if you take a look, a little closer look on the inside of the shoe, we have the yellow color, and we also have the red. So this is a full custom from inside and out. I'm curious if there was anything done on the toe tag, but you can see we got 2 different colored shoelaces. We have some tags that are added for that special touch, and then also custom insoles. So overall, you know, for any Rugrats fan, this is a great shoe. This is a great concept. This is a great design. It's simple, it's fun, and any fan would just love this design. Color Me Fresh, great job. Keep on customizing. Now on to the bonus content. Designer Shoes by Stella shows us how she does flames on the Nike Swoosh of the Air Force One. Check out this video. She starts off by adding those highlights. Now with an airbrush, she goes over those white lines with an orange, and then she goes over the Nike Swoosh, adds more highlight, goes over with a yellow, and she says she doesn't put the last layer in, but you can tell just by looking at the design or how she's doing this. You get that glow effect, that fiery burn. You still get the nice whites, highlights that are hidden behind those colors. They pop, and it's just a clean look. So if you guys ever interested in doing a flame, great tips by Shoes by Stella, and let us know if you were able to recreate this flame. That's it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Comment below and let us know if the bonus content was helpful or which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video from Wallach.